Welcome to the housing crisis. I am going to show you how to, yeah, automate the data collection from real estate websites and get the cost per week per bedroom, for different real estate websites. Now, you can do the same thing for domain.com.au as the same with realestate.com.au. You might need to change the formulas, but it's basically the same process. Now, I'm showing you two methods because whilst Google Sheets is easier, it is a little bit unreliable. Like, you do get some values where it's just like, hey, yeah, we're not gonna pass this for you, even though that website is still it's still functioning. Google Sheets spazzes every now and then. So basically, you use the if error formula where you try to import HTML according to this formula here. Now, the reason why the if error formula is needed rather than just import HTML is because when it tries to pass the formula, runs into an error, it just does it again until it gets something. But even then, it's still not all that reliable. If you still want to go with that method, you just follow the according formulas to get the address, bed, bath, car spaces, type of building, distance, uni, whatever. Yeah, and then you just sort the JCOL. I'll chuck these formulas in the description below. But if you don't want to get some headaches from Google Sheets, but if you don't want to go that route, you can just go with Excel, trusty Excel, and use the Easy Web Data Scraper. Get this, you can, thanks to ChatGPT, open all the 10 pages at once. You open this first page and see, how many pages do I need to open? And then you just change the I index to 80 or 10. Either way, you just do that, save the HTML, and then you open it. Open 10 real estate tabs. I'll chuck this into the description as well. Press the button, opens all the pages, and okay, cool. We gotta let them all load though, so we can actually see each of these tables here. Come on. You can see why I prefer the Google Sheets method. I believe the non-pass error is due to measures taken to prevent data scraping, which is kind of what we need. And all this could be entirely avoided if we had just better search parameters at realestate.com.au or domain.com.au. Either way, just go locate the table with the red box and then output to XLS. And you just do the same thing however many times you need to do it. And you just got to make sure it's in the right location. There may be issues with importing the data because it's not all that standard with how they display it. They can have per week or PW. The formulas should work, but just keep that in mind if it's causing issues. Bada bing, bada boom. I saw in the Chrome extension tabs that this extension might be being made obsolete or redundant because of some stupid Chrome update. And in the case of that, I guess figure out a way to make the Google Sheets work. That's what you can do. But this is reliable. It's slow, but it's reliable. And this one, it's you can't really get tripped up with this one, this method, and with the auto web, anti web scraping measures that they take. because you're a human, and this is just scraping off the user interface. Okay, so now you go to data, or data, depending on how you pronounce it. Get from data, from file, from folder. State, open, combine. We want to combine them all together and load. And then it will just combine all those Excel files. Give it some time. Yes, fantastic. And you can see each of the numbers there. So, I'm going to use a delimiter to trim on either side of the price box to just get the number. Now, you may come to some errors if you don't get rid of the dollar sign. It might not recognize that when you try to use further divide functions. So you got to make sure that the dollar sign is removed. Radio. Now, cost per week per bedroom. Now, yeah, you just do this. And I only learned recently, you can just double click on this little box here. And then, boom, it just goes all the way down there. Now you got to create an index. Yep, okay, that works. Now we use our sort function. There we go, we found a way. Now, I was mentioning some errors before, and that may result in it showing, hey, is it really $6 per week per bedroom? And if we go to index location 16, index location, we can go across and see the error. It doesn't display the price. So 1 and 2 bedroom apartments fully furnished. I mean, this thing anyway, it wouldn't really be the cheapest option you've got. So, okay, now we just go to the second option we've got here, which is $140 per week per bedroom. And that's at 15. Cool, go to 15, jump across here. Got the address, great, and now we can go check out the URL, the location. Bada bing, bada boom. It's pretty cheap. Might be sketchy, but hey, it works. Awesome. If you like this video, go buy a milkshake. Alright.